In this demo, we will first demonstrate how an attacker can successfully obtain domain admin credentials using a pass-the-hash method when threat defense for Active Directory is not deployed. Then, we will show the same attack method and illustrate how this solution, when deployed, effectively stops an attacker from stealing domain admin credentials. To conduct a pass-the-hash attack, we will use Mimikatz, a well-known exploit tool used by attackers for obtaining credentials. In the Mimikatz shell, a logon passwords command is run to obtain a list of all cached credentials located in memory from the compromised endpoint. Here we see the compromised computer object hash and user account credentials. Now that the agent is deployed, let's launch the logon passwords command again. As we go through the list of cached hashes, we see one new cached credential, along with one new user has been dumped. This help desk user is a threat defense for Active Directory injected account with an associated NTLM hash, ready to be stolen by attackers. Launching a command shell, we next run a net user command, so the help desk users group membership can be identified. And we see that the help desk user account is privileged and a member of the domain admins group. Stealing this account's hash would grant an attacker full access to the entire domain. Using the pass-the-hash technique, the help desk account's hash is injected into the NLT-EST command to obtain the IP address of the domain controller to be compromised. Next, we run a directory command to verify connectivity and access to the domain controller. However, this action fails, and we get an access is denied error. That's because the help desk user is an obfuscated account generated by Threat Defense for Active Directory and not a real domain admin account. As you can see, an alert is immediately triggered and visible in the Threat Defense for Active Directory console. The alert indicates that the user, help desk, has been leveraged to perform pass-the-hash credential theft. Looking at the forensics report, we see the processes responsible for the attack, based on memory analysis obtained from the compromised endpoint. Using the solution's built-in mitigation capability, suspicious processes are quickly contained. And when additional commands are run, we receive access is denied errors. The attacker has been contained.